अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाज़रीन। पीएससी एनटीएस और तमाम इम्तहानात में आने वाले एवरीडे साइंस और जनरल साइंस के एमसीक्यूज़ का पार्ट 1 आपकी खिदमत में पेश किया जा रहा है। ऑक्सीजन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय प्रेस्टली। The seat of memory in the human brain is located in the cerebrum. A branch of medicine dealing with eyes and related diseases is called ophthalmology. What does mycology study? The answer is fungus. A moving ball stopped due to the action of. The answer is friction force. फ्रिक्शन फोर्स की वजह से हर चीज़ रुक जाती है। साउंड ट्रेवल्स फास्टर इन आयरन देन इन एयर। Electromagnetic waves travel with. The answer is speed of light. What type of acid is used in car battery? कार की बैटरी में सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इस्तेमाल होता है। For sending sound waves at large distance, which waves are used? दुरुस्त जवाब है जी रेडियो वेव्स। Who invented the internal combustion engine? इंटरनल combustion engine रूडोल्फ डीजल ने ईजाद किया। विटामिन वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय। विटामिन कैसीमायर फंक ने दरियाफ्त किए। डार्विन हिमसेल्फ ब्रेड पिजन प्लांट्स tomatoes. The answer is pigeons. Which of the following is disease caused by drinking contaminated water? The answer is cholera. Amino acid are a product of digestion of. The answer is protein. The average adult has a blood volume of about 5 liters. The study of the nervous system and its disorders is called neurology. The material used of bleaching paper pulp is sodium hypochlorite. 1000 watt power is called as 1 kilowatt. What form of uranium is most commonly used in fusion? Which of the following vitamin is useful in osteomalacia? The vitamin D is useful.